everyone, welcome back to another reaction video. And today I will be reacting to
Bob vs. Spongebob Puppet Beatbox Battles.
created by Verbalace. So now without further ado, on with the video!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another crazy episode of Puppet Beatbox Battles.
Alright.
Last time we had a battle between Freddy Fazbear and Chucky. There were a lot of messed up things that the characters said and did to each other, and I almost got killed at the end of that episode.
Indeed.
You guys voted, and Freddy Fazbear will be going on to the next round.
Yes.
Chucky will not be joining us anymore.
Anymore?
Why?
Let's just say we played Mousetrap and he lost.
Today's battle is going to be between two characters that love to cook. Yes, today we have the return of SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Looks like I'm battling somebody that has everything on his mind except hair.
Oh wow, talking trash already to his new opponent, Bob Belcher.
Honest Burgers.
And you look like the shit I took after eating too much cheese.
What?
Whoa, Bob, language. Also, why would you look at your own? Never mind. SpongeBob, if you want to get him back, now's your chance. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, it's time for another butt kicking. The deadbeat dads are allowed in the kitchen. You can't even cook.
Deadbeat
So stop
dad.
catfishing. Your food's so bad they use it to kill pigeons. Alright, it's time for another
2D
butt
animated.
kicking. The deadbeat dads are allowed in the kitchen. You can't even cook. So stop catfishing. Your food's so bad they use it to kill pigeons.
Back to the puppet. Freestyle. Alright, watch out. Literally. Oh, projected homeward. It's poop. People were at patties. Oh. This. Oh. Oh yeah. Indeed. Wow, SpongeBob was spitting fire. He didn't even hold back. Not even once.
Wow, he made fun of your restaurant, wife, and kids. How do you feel about that?
I don't really feel anything. Why should I be offended by a walking, talking, piss-stained mattress?
Ooh.
Because, Bob, no matter what you have to say, people will remember you as the chef who lost to the walking, talking, piss-stained mattress.
SpongeBob, why are you acknowledging yourself as a piss-stained Anyway,
I know, right?
Bob, if you want to get him back, now's
Now's
your
your
chance.
chance.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay.
Yeah. You really need to. Every time you speak.
Knock it off.
Every time you breathe.
High sling slash surf.
Come on. Okay, kids. This is the life of someone that's on crack. That's why you get a buck-tooth bubble.
Me home annoy.
Anxiety.
Leave that out too.
You're a dirty sponge, but I'm the scrub daddy.
Scrub daddy?
No one gives a damn about your nasty patties.
Ha.
When you laugh, it sounds like a sheep inside of a dolphin. Krabby Patties are really made out of plankton's ball skin. Is Mr. Krabs your boss, or are you his slave?
What?
When those Krabby Patties kill you, I'll be on your grave.
SpongeBob no
You're
pants.
the reason why my kids are so slow and terrible. Everybody's brain dies when they're watching your show.
Oh,
The only thing you can drive is everyone crazy. Get them out of here. You can't lift up marshmallows, but you can push up daisies.
burn!
You really need to. Every time you speak,
Knock it off,
every time you breathe,
knock it off,
SpongeBob.
knock it off.
You really need to. Every time you speak, every time you breathe, SpongeBob.
Knock it off, knock it off. Ba, 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 ba. He's still cooking. Nice. Mic drop. Bob was also spitting fire, and that voice was on point. Nicely done. 2 thumbs up.
I don't even know what to say. SpongeBob?
It's all true.
What?
Yeah, it's true that Bob got inspired from watching my show, but he never learned how to cook, which is why his restaurant failed. What, over 3 times? But hey, who's counting?
Ouch. Gonna need cold water for that burn.
I think I can cook pretty well. Me and my wife had escargot for the first time last night.
What's escargot?
Escargot is French for snail.
Hey, that's all the time we have for today. Don't forget to comment down below and tell us which one of these characters you guys think won the battle. Thank you for watching Puppet Beatbox Battles. I'm Verbal Ace, and I'll see you next time.
He's been there the entire time.
Have you been standing there the whole time?
Yes. Run! And now, the moment you've been waiting for. It's time to announce the winner. The winner of the Puppet Beatbox Battles goes to Bob. Sorry, SpongeBob, but you just got served. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more reactions. With that in mind, I'll see you next time. In the meantime, stay safe, take care, to witnesses, and peace.
You really need to. Every time you speak, every time you breathe, SpongeBob. You really need to. Every time you speak, every time you breathe.